Texas Instruments. We are Team 3718 from Lukman College of Engineering, Navi Mumbai. Our project is Digital Energy Meter with voice alerts for overpower utilization. Our group members are
Sridhar Ganesh,
Mehul Goklu,
Dhaval Jangle,
Swanam Ganesh.
and Rohit Bhosle shooting the video. Our group head is Dr. R.S. Dubey sir. We have got problem statement A. It is a second order low pass filter using OPAM's TL082.
we thanks Texas for giving us such a good opportunity to work with the latest ASLK kit and to get thorough with our concepts.
Now we move on our focus to the ASLK kit.
Kit diagram for ASLK kit. The kit consists of DACs, analog multipliers, then potentiometers and op-amps. According to the circuit given to us, we need op-amps in inverting and non-inverting configuration. So here we are using U4 op-amp type 2.1 and type 2.2 inverting and non-inverting configuration. So according to the circuit given to us, we have connected the circuit in our kit and we are giving the input to the U4 P3 pin and we are taking output across R27P, which is a 1 kilo ohm resistor.
While implementing the pin diagram and the hardware implementation, we faced quite a lot of difficulties. Our difficulties were basically of two types. First one, to understand the pin diagram and then to implement it on the hardware. We went step by step. We first went into the understanding of the pin diagram. We then went into the understanding of the operation of TL082 op-amps. We studied about the working of TL082 op-amps. We then implemented the inverting and non-inverting configurations of TL082 op-amps on the hardware. After all this, we finally connected our whole circuit and then we got the output.
We have applied a sine wave and we have varied the frequency from 1 kilohertz to 1 megahertz and obtained the output values. After now we will be plotting these values on the same block paper and the output will look like this plot. This is the magnitude plot and this is the phase plot.
This sums up our hardware implementation of our problem statement, second order low pass filter.
Let us move to our schematic part. This is the schematic diagram of our problem statement, that is the low pass filter using op-amps. These are two TL082 op-amps. Each battery is 10 volt battery supply. This is the stimulus of our circuit. These two resistors are 10 kilo ohms resistors and these two are 1 kilo ohm resistors. As we have to get the frequency response, and that is the AC plot, we will go for AC analysis. In AC analysis there are various fields which are to be programmed by the user. So this is the maximum range of our frequency and this is the minimum range of our frequency, that is 1 megahertz to 1 kilohertz, and we will go for semi-log paper. That's why we are using the log scale, and these are a number of test points at which various readings will be taken. Let us run the analysis. On running the analysis, we are getting the specific part of the frequency response. So let us maximize the response. This is the phase plot of our response. As expected, we are getting the resonance frequency at this part, and at 1 megahertz, the response is dying down. This is the phase plot of our response. Let us maximize it too. This is our complete phase response. We are also getting the response as expected.
While implementing our circuit, we faced certain difficulties, like first to study microcap software. After that, we started implementing small circuits like this one, and after we getting its plot, we implemented our main circuit and we got a phase and amplitude response of it.
That sums up our simulation part. We got to learn a lot of things to this problem statement. We got to learn how to work on an ASLK kit. We also learned how to work with microcap. So I would like to thank Texas Instruments once again for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, Texas Instruments.